Hi Brianna, my name is Jackie and I am the library director here at Blue Mountain, and I'm responding to the challenge you're having getting into some of our videos for SOCH 205 via Canvas. So sometimes there's a couple things that go on. I'm guessing from your email you might be trying to come in from a high school. Quite often high schools, schools in general, government agencies, military sites, that sort of thing. Sometimes people have a hard time accessing some resources because of a firewall that might be set up at your institution. So that might be what's going on here. So I'm going to give you two solutions that might work around that. And I see you got a library card, so that's good because that's a key part of the solution. So the first solution I'm going to show you here, the second one is written out in text in the email that I've sent you because it's something that you have to do on your own device. I can't model that for you here. So one thing that can work is actually not going through Canvas. I'm sorry that's not working for you. Eventually it might work. It's kind of odd. But one solution is going through directly our library homepage. These are resources that the library purchases to make accessible. So the originals are here on our library website. So to get to our library website, you'll go to the college homepage, which is just bluecc.edu, and you'll click on library. Once you click on library, this is where you'll be at our library homepage. I actually created a research guide at one point, click here, for SOCH 205 because other students have had this problem. It's not just you. So if you click on Sociology 205, you'll see the lessons across the board, and I think they should all be there and the content's the same. To be honest, it's been a year since I've looked at this. But if you look at lesson 1, for example, you will see that this particular video, if this is hopefully still in order with Tina Martinez's course on social institutions, religion, family, and economics, so the economy lesson. Lesson 2, similar thing, you'll talk about social stratification. Lesson 3, and so these should all, for me, they're all working because I'm here on campus. I've already been identified in the system as being a BMCC student, so I don't have to do that extra layer of authentication. What you would probably have to do off campus is, at this point, you might be prompted to enter in that library card number that we created for you. And again, usually you only have to do it once, and that should get you in permanently. That's what gets you into all of our library resources. So that's option 1. Option 2, like I explained, that's actually going into Alexander Street Press, the website directly. Let me show you how to do that. Actually, maybe I can show you how to do that. Let me get back here to the library page. And from the library page, you might not have to do this. Actually, I think you should be able to do this right through Canvas. When you're in Canvas and you're getting the sample only information, actually, I think the information that you need is right there on the Canvas page, but it's probably going to have an example that says watch now or something like that in the instructions, and they are written out in the email. I'm just trying to remember them. The instructions then kind of prompt you to where you'll find a drop-down menu, and it'll ask you to identify your college, so you'll just start typing in Blue Mountain Community College, click on it when it comes up, and just definitely click on the Blue Mountain Community College link. Don't click on Hermiston and don't click on anything else. Just click on Blue Mountain Community College. And then from there, it will prompt you for your library card number. And it's a couple extra steps, but usually most students have only had to do that once, and their access is set for a while. So you might want to try this method. You might want to try what I call the backdoor method and see which works best for you. But I'm hoping one of those gets you the access you need into these videos. So call me if it's still not working. One thing you might want to do is try off-site. If it's still not working, I am kind of concerned that your high school has a firewall. And I did ask our IT department here if they knew if Umatillo's IT department had set up a firewall, which hopefully we can work around. But if not, I could see that being an issue. So, but I hope that helps. Please feel free to reach out if it's still not working, and we'll try to see what we can do for you. Okay? Thanks, Brianna.